Hey guys, Dan here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing Nerf gun pistols. So let me get the first pistol for you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, have it. So there's nothing really special to this one, but it's really fun. It's really easy to reload and stuff. And sadly you cannot put a scope on this, not even at the bottom right there. You just have to deal with no scope. But it's a really good gun. I'd recommend it. And let's move on to the next gun. Before I show you guys this one, the last gun is the newest one. Let me show you the new gun now. The new gun is the Volt Elite 2.0. It's a really good one. Has a laser right there where my finger is, and it's nothing really to it. It just makes a really weird sound whenever you reload it with no bullet in it. See, if you can hear that, leave a like. So that's really all I wanted to show you. Thanks guys, and let's go on to the third and final one. Okay, so the final one is this new pea shooter pistol kind of thing. I don't know what it is. I consider it kind of like a mini pistol, but this gun is very good. It's very fun. I'm going to get a bullet right now, put it in. I'm going to cut to me shooting it. And guys, if you can see this, leave a like and subscribe. Are you ready? If you can see this, as I said, leave a like and comment. Sorry about that. It just didn't come out well. That was big build up for nothing. Let me try this again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Leave a like if you've seen it. I'm going to shoot it in 3, 2, 1. 1. I give up. I think you guys just seen the failure that happened there. Let's try it one last time. You've probably seen it going across right there where my finger is pointing. So it's a really good gun. It's very powerful. And let's go to the end of the video. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you watched it all the way through, leave a like and subscribe. I'm sorry that I'm promoting my channel so much, but please, I really need subscribers. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye.